How to solve Rubik's Cube 5 by 5. Okay, first thing, scrabble the Rubik's Cube. Okay, we start with the white. In Rubik's Cube 5 by 5 we have to start with centers, go with edges, and when you finish those we do it like 3 by 3. Okay, start with white. This way it's already solved. Go with this one. See, this is the center here. Put it down and you fix the line. Take it with the other white. It's two here, the other one, another white here. When it's white here, you turn it this way and you fix it here. Now we have 3 of them solved. That's first one. Yellow, after the white, yellow. I go with the yellow now. This, do this one, right here. Fix this one, go down. We fix the first one. Second one here. Go up. We have 2. Another one here. Turn this way. This one go here. We fix the second one. Second one. Put it back. Fix another one. Go back to the. Okay, we start the second one. We say the yellow one. Yellow one here. Okay. Second one. This goes in the center. Right there. The third one here. Turn this way. Go here. Second one here. Third one here. This one go here. Take it off from the side, turn it down and come back. Now we fix it. Okay, if you wanna don't mess up those here, you have to line this same line, and you do this like that. Turn it this way, and you don't mess up this one. Okay, now we go another color. Start with orange. Fix it. 2 here. It's another one here. Fix it again. 2. This one go here. This one go here. Turn this way. Go down. Fix it and go up. And that's it. And we fix the orange. Now we go with different one. Green. Green. Let's go here. Turn this way. Go up. Now. Okay, we say the green. Another green. The center. Here. Okay, we fix the other one. Okay. The third one here. 2 of them. One go here. We bring back. Okay. We say this if it's not same place. We line it the same colors. And we do this up. Move and you fix it. Now the last ones. The last ones here. This go here up. See, we make 2. Go down. Okay. Let's go here. Turn this way. Go down. Now we have 2 here. Let's go 2, 2, 2. Okay, you see this one here, you have to go here, and this one go here. This move, you have to go down, move this way, bring this down, and go back again, put this up, and this turn it this way, go up. Now we fix everything, all the colors. Now we go the side edges, call it edges, find the same colors, like we start with any color, the one we find here, like we start with green. Okay, green and green. When you want to put this here, you have to go up this way, go this way, and line up, like line 2, go up, put it, there is nothing here, go down and put different one. See, 2 here, 2 of them, there's another one here, you see it, this, you move it here, okay, though no much one, you can, because there is a lot of them messed up now, and put down different one, not fixed. Okay, we fix the first one right there, the edge. Okay, we go another one, we go with this one, there is 2 of them here, fixed, this one here, okay, move it this way, and move it back there, go up, take a different one, non-fixed, and put them down, and that's it. These 2 here of them fixed, and this another one, we find it here, now we go up, see, now they are same way. When they're the same way, we go up, go this way, and you line them up, this line, go up, and take the one is not solved, put them down, and go back to normal, fix the colors again, find another one, this here, go with this one here, the same, okay, this, go here, same, go up, this way, here, okay, fix it here, take them back up, and put down any one unsolved. Okay, we go another one, this is called it parity. To move those, do like this. You see, I'm fixing together. Now we go up and take any one and fix them. We fix those 2. This go here, see it, go up, place, take non-solved, put them down, and fix again, and do the same algorithm with everything. These 2 of them here, 2, go up, take non-solved one, down, and do it again. Start with another one, find this one here, go up here, put it down, up, and take those non-solved, put them down, and this. Again, find another one, this you go here, okay, go up, this non-solved, put them down, and then we say we solved 1, 2, another one here, red, and we found it somewhere, is the other one, green, right there, okay, this go here, this non-solved, go up with solved one, we put down non-solved one, and fix it. Okay, 2 greens, and green and orange, green and orange, green and orange right there. Okay, this go here, to put this here, go up, this way, move it here, and that's here, lining up, go up, and put non-solved down, and put them together, again, go back to normal, and this one, here, the parity, up, down, here, see, we solve 2, go up with non-solved one, and put down non-solved one down, okay, and fix your Rubik's Cube again, this one and this one here, go to same place, see, these go here, we fix this one, go up and take non-solved down and fix them again. Another one here, you see this one go here, solve it, we fix them here, go up, here is all fixed, we go the other way, this one is not fixed here, go up, take the non-solved one and go down and fix it. Okay, now we have only like 3 left to fix. This one go here, okay, repair it again, you see this go here, okay, go up, this non-solved one, go up, take the non-solved one down and fix it. Now we have everything fixed, only those 2 non-fixed. You see this one, this edge and this edge. This we go with this algorithm. Okay, this algorithm we call it edge pairing. R U R prime F R prime F prime R. R means right clock, R prime counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. Okay, R for right, up for up, and right for right, F for front, and F prime front counterclockwise, and R. Remember this algorithm, edge pairing, R U R prime F R prime F prime R. Okay, I want to show you how to do it. Okay, we say parity. This we point together here, go up, down, then, you see. Okay, so parity, this here, put those together. Okay. Okay, you see, to flip this one, go up and this go down. Move this one to this area, go up here. This same algorithm, just go slowly, and the other one, and you fix it. Now we fix it, you see, I fixed the and this one here. This you have to go with the parity. Parity, I want to show you how to do it. I show you the, okay, R, W, U2. X means you flip the Rubik's Cube. If it was like that, you flip it this one, that's X. R, W, U, R, U2, 3, R, W, prime, U prime, L, W, U2. Write this algorithm, and then I want to show you how to do it, okay? Write it down. We call it parity. Okay. Okay, we start with the first one, the non-solved one here. We go RW 2 times, and we X RW 2 times, RW 2 times, 3 2 times, L 2 times, down 2 times, see, we fix them. Now we do it like 3 by 3. Just remember those algorithms and do it slowly. If you don't know it, go back in my Rubik's Cube and do it slow motion, and you see it. It's easy, it's not big deal. Now we do 3 by 3. 3 by 3, we start with the, just go 3 by 3. I posted on YouTube. Just go there and check 3 by 3, and you find how you fix it. Okay, we go with the daisy here. Put the corner white right here. Okay, just follow my instruction in 3 by 3 and you fix it. It's easy. Orange, we fix the orange, we go down. Green, we go down, 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 and we fix the cross plus. You see it? Now we do the edge in the corner. We go like, you see, the white one in the left side and the green here. See, and we fix the corner here. Same algorithm like 3 by 3, same. Just follow my instruction and you fix it. This in one place, take it off. Now blue, this one in one place too. We do it like that. Okay, now in left side, now we fix the first layer, you see. Now we go with second layer. This is in one place, we do it this way. This in one place, take it off. Okay, do this algorithm again. Now when you take it off, we go put it back. What is it? If it's on the left side, you put it on the right side. Okay, down. You remember it's fixed. And the last one here, if it's in the right side, you put it left side, and you do the algorithm. Okay, and you do like that. Yeah. Same like 3 by 3, just follow the instruction in 3 by 3 and you fix it, it's not big deal. Same. Okay. It's fixed. Sometimes we have a problem. Sometimes these colors, not in this case, because this case it never happen. It's always easy to fix it. In 4 by 4 and 6 by 6, you have this problem. If you go back to 4 by 4, you find it. Now it's fixed. Thank you for watching.